Hello everyone, this is Zach, and today I'm going to show you how to create a sketch on a plane. Now this can work for any planes that you have created, or the 3 original planes that you start out with. So we're going to go over to our tree and click our front plane. We're going to right click it, and then we're going to just click Sketch. Perfect. Now you can notice our Sketch tab is open, and we can start creating any 2D object that we would like on here. I'll click our center rectangle, and I'll just make it coincident to the origin. And at this point you can just start adding any dimensions you'd like. Under our sketch tab we have the smart dimension. You can go ahead and just put whatever kind of stuff you want. You just got to click the line once and then click once away to have access to being able to edit these dimensions. And if you make a mistake, go ahead and just double click it just like that and it'll load up. Sometimes it takes a while, and then you can change it to whatever you want. So if I want that to be 2.5 instead of 3, I can just go ahead and do that. Perfect. And now exit your sketch, and then you can turn that into a 3D object, which I'll show you guys that in this video here. And another way to do it too is you can go into your sketch area, and then you can just click sketch, and then it'll ask you what plane, in which you would just click this arrow here. This shows you your another tree. You can go ahead, I can select top plane, then normal 2, and now I'm making a sketch on here, which I can go ahead and just make another rectangle, and then just make that 2 or 5. And that's basically it. That's just how you make sketches on planes. You can go ahead and add a circle if you want. We'll go over different types of sketch techniques and stuff in future videos, but this is just how to get started. So I hope you enjoyed it. Can't wait to see you on the next video. Bye now.